Hello and welcome to this tutorial. It's about to animate 2D images using After Effects. So basically this is like the final result for this tutorial will be something like this. It's kind of basic, it's simple, but I'm going to change this car again. But we will learn here to animate 2D images, any 2D image using After Effects. And excuse me because for my English, because English is not my first language. So, as you see, we open After Effects here. And for the people who don't know about After Effects, you can just import the things you want to import using three ways. The first one is the original one, which is go to import file, and you import any file you want to. And the second way is, you see this area, you just double click it and you insert any file you want. And for the third one, you just click on that folder or where's your save your files and select it and just drag it and put it on this and it will open it. So we're waiting. Yeah, that's it. So yes, you imported your files. I'm going also to import this the car image, which is I just downloaded from Google. Go to Google and search on Google Images about a car, but try to find a PNG file because it's easy to work with. And yes, that's it. So what we're going to do is, as we saw in the video, is to make this 2D images animated. And by the way, I downloaded these things from this website called Digital Tutor. I will put the link for it if you want to download these files, but no, honestly, this tutorial you can apply it on any 2D 2D anime photo. So let's see here. Nope, not this one. So yeah, we have to wait. So yes, so for this one, as you see, it's the circle. Just drag it to this empty area to create a composition. So put it here. We just create that. I'm going to make this circle large. And yeah, by the way, this black background, you can create it so easily. It comes from this file, but you can create it easily. I can show you later. Click on Ctrl, Shift, and left mouse. You click Ctrl, left click, and Shift, and drag it so you can change the size without pixelize the image. And you can put it here. Yeah, it's look fine. And then I'm going to put the car. So yeah, drag it and put it here up. So as you see, this is the car. I'm not gonna leave it for now. Let's put this beautiful background. You see, it's a tree and the sun. Don't know. For here. Yeah. So as you see, it's cover. How can I fix that? By put this maybe like this here. You just like drag it from here to here. It's just like Photoshop exactly. So yeah, it's something like this. And let's resize this car. Let's, oops, sorry. Oops. Just resize this a little bit. Okay. Sorry. And for the wheel, yeah, this is the wheel as you said. As you see, sorry. Again, we have to resize it. Control left click, then shift, and just resize it. Put it like this, maybe. Yes. And there's two ways to make the other one. Click on the wheel, sorry. Click on the wheel by using Control D. You just duplicate it, or you can drag it again, but we want it in the same size, so you just press Control D and you duplicate it. So yeah, this is so easy. As you said, you just import your files and put it on this composition, and you'll get this shape. So if you play it, this is the RAM preview. As you see, it's not moving. So what I'm gonna do is to animate this. And basically animation in After Effects is using the keyframes. Okay, sorry. So yes, we want to click this background or this huge circle, and if you click then this arrow here, the small one, and you'll see this, the transform option, and click again, and you'll see this different option. You can play with these numbers. I'm going to use the rotation. So basically, if you just look at this, it's look like the circle is rotate by itself. Okay, we'll keep it at 0 first. So yes, if you click at this clock, I called it the clock, I don't know why, but click on it, you'll see this keyframe. Basically, this is how After Effects works. It's about these keyframes, and I don't know, this is the magic here. So you just, let's say it's the rotation here is 0, just put this thing to the end, which is 30 seconds, and let's see, make it 20. Let's see how it will look. This is slow motion because it's a RAM preview, but when it's finished, the green line here, when it finish, we will see something different, I hope. So yeah, this is because, okay, let's make it faster. Yeah, that's it. So you just increase this number, rotation number, and you'll get this fast result. Okay. So yeah, when you play it, you'll get this fast result. If you want more, just as you see, just play with this number. Okay, I'm happy with the result. So this is for the circle, and let's play with wheel rotation. So again, rotation, put it on, no, it's too much. Let's say put it on 10, press this keyframe, and let's make it 300. 300 is fine. So yeah, if you render preview that, let's see how it looks like. It's a little bit slow, so I'm gonna make it, oops, the largest. Oh, it's 300. Oh, 360. It's supposed to be 360. Okay. So yeah, maybe this is my best option. Okay, maybe let's put a keyframe here. Make it faster. Let's see what will happen. Oh, it becomes slower. I don't want that. So this keyframe, just press delete and you delete it. So yeah, so you start with 10 and with 359. Yes, 359. Okay, that's fine. We'll keep it. And for the second wheel, again, rotation, the keyframe, the first keyframe is 10. You press this magic lock to keyframe it. And for the final thing, it's double click here, 305.9. Enter. So yes, as you see, it's moving. Okay, what else we can do for this background? Maybe we want to animate it. So you click here, again transform. So we now going to play on position. So let's say, let's put a, sorry, you drag it to the beginning. You put a keyframe here. Maybe something. I want it to look like it's moving, but like this maybe, and it just make it like, oops, don't want to lose, yeah, make it like this. Let's see how does it go. So yeah, basically this is like simple animation, a 2D animation. You can add many things to this, but yeah, this is the simple way. It's not that hard, as you see. And for the final thing, we're gonna add this to render queue. Render queue is to export this animation. So we click File, Export, Add to Render Queue. And if you press this render setting, it's called best setting. So it's the full resolution settings on After Effects. So sorry, yeah, I have to do that. The quality, you press best, resolution full, size here, doesn't matter, you can change it at any size you want. The frame is 25 frame, and press OK. The output module, you click here. I recommend you not to use AVI because it's not good quality. So if you press this arrow and put on QuickTime, and the format option here will be this. the video codec is, this is one of the best video codec with it, which is H.264, and you press OK. The channel RGB, so it's red, green, blue, it's about the color. Just don't change that. You can change that if you want. Press OK, and the final thing is output 2. That's where you are going to save that. So yes, I'm going to save it on desktop. Let's say this simple animation. Click on save, and final thing, press render. Okay, so this is a simple 2D animation tutorial. I may make another video tutorials possible. So see you soon.